In this video, I'll show you how to add a zoom out fade text animation, a simple but elegant effect that makes your text smoothly shrink and fade out of the screen. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that fits your video style. Clean or bold fonts usually work best for zoom-based animations. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Here, make sure you switch to the Out section because this animation controls how the text exits the screen. Now, scroll through the animations and select Zoom Out. As soon as you apply it, you'll see your text gradually shrink and fade away, creating a smooth and professional exit effect. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need any extra layers or effects. To adjust the speed, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow, cinematic zoom out, or drag it to the right for a faster, more energetic fade. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it blends perfectly with your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a zoom out fade text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.